Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to restore a backup of your server. Knowing how to restore a backup of your server is super important as it can help undo griefing. As you can see here, my server world has been completely blown up and everything is ruined. But I can rest assured because I have a backup of my server saved, so all I have to do is restore it. If you're in the same position, follow the following steps. All you have to do is head to your server and then on the left hand side open the backups tab. Here as you can see, you will have automatic backups, but you can also create your own manual backup. I'm just going to be using my manual backup I've created not too long ago before the griefing. All you have to do is either press restore to restore all services on a VPS to that backup. This is only necessary if you have multiple servers you want to restore. However, if you do have multiple services and want to only backup one, simply press the service button and then select the service you want to restore. Press done and then press restore again. That will begin the restoration process by creating a new service. You'll be able to go to the dashboard of your service to check the status of the restoration. You should be able to see restoration done or just done on the console. You can then delete the previous griefed server as all the changes should be back to normal on the new one. Now I'll be checking if the restoration works successfully. I'm just going to go ahead into my server and as you can see my world is back to normal and it's not full of holes and TNT. Keep in mind that automatic backups are taken daily and stored for 3 days, so make sure you're constantly backing up your server. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!